Imagine transforming your welding and cutting process from chaotic and laborious to sleek and futuristic. Today I'm going to show you how automation is revolutionizing the world of welding forever. First up, we have increased efficiency. Picture a robotic arm seamlessly welding a steel frame in record time. Compare that to a manual process and you see the difference, production output doubling. Now that's what I call speed. Next, let's talk precision and consistency. Zoom in on a robotic laser cutter slicing metal with millimeter accuracy. On one side, you've got human-made welds, slightly irregular. On the other, automated welds, perfectly smooth. With a 95% error reduction, precision has never been this sharp. Safety is a game changer too. Imagine a manual welder exposed to intense heat and fumes. Now picture an automated factory where robots handle hazardous tasks. Worker safety skyrockets with injury risk nearly eliminated. That's the power of automation. Finally, let's talk cost savings. Watch an entire assembly line in motion with multiple robotic arms welding and cutting simultaneously. A financial graph shows cost reductions and higher ROI. We're talking 40% savings in labor and material waste. That's a serious boost to your bottom line. The future of welding and cutting is here. Embrace automation and transform your business today with Weld Systems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the cutting-edge world of technology. See you next time.